Hey there, fellow road warriors. Let's talk about something super important today, dash cams. Yep, those tiny devices that can make a huge difference when it comes to staying safe on the road. I mean, let's face it, driving can be risky business, right? You never know what's gonna happen out there, and having a dash cam could be your saving grace. Think about it, one wrong move from another driver, and bam, you're in a mess. And heaven forbid they try to pin it on you. That's where having the right dash cam comes in clutch. Lucky for you, I've rounded up the top 5 dash cams out there, along with all the deets you need to make an informed decision. But wait, there's more. I've also dropped the links to all the products mentioned down below, so you can check them out for yourself. Trust me, you won't want to hit the road without one of these bad boys by your side. So let's dive in. Number 5. AZ Dashcam. Let me tell you, it's my top pick for the best bang for your buck. What sets the AZ Dashcam apart? Well, for starters, it boasts ultra-high resolution recording, built-in GPS for precise location tracking, and advanced driver assistance features. If you're all about high-quality video and enhanced safety, then the AZ Dashcam might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's talk about that 4K Ultra HD resolution. The clarity and detail in the footage are seriously unmatched. You'll be able to capture license plates, road signs, and all those crucial details with stunning precision. Every moment on the road is recorded in cinematic quality, making sure you never miss a thing. And speaking of coverage, the wide-angle lens with a 170° field of view ensures comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots and capturing the entire road scene. Plus, with the front and rear dash cams providing an f1 aperture, you'll get clear recordings even during the darkest nights. But it doesn't stop there. The loop recording feature ensures that your camera is always ready to capture the unexpected, and the built-in G-sensor detects sudden collisions or impacts, automatically locking and saving the footage to a separate folder for those crucial moments. In a nutshell, the AZ Dashcam offers breathtaking 4K resolution, wide-angle lens, night capturing capabilities, loop recording, and a user-friendly design. If you're looking for high-quality on-the-road security, then the AZ Dashcam might just be the perfect option for you. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. My score for this is 8. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Don't let its size fool you. This little device packs a big punch. It might not have features like a display or GPS, but it delivers excellent image quality and even comes with voice controls in case you need the camera to do something while you're driving. Plus, like other Garmin Dashcams, it can enhance your car with features like forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, speed camera and traffic light notifications, and more. And let's not forget about Garmin Vault, a cloud storage service that automatically keeps all your recordings safe in the cloud. But its biggest strength? Its design. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is so tiny, you might not even notice it on your windshield. That means far fewer distractions while you're on the road. Using this device will give you a less stressful and safer driving experience. My score for this is 8.2. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam 67W, the latest and greatest from Garmin. Now, if you're familiar with the 66W, get ready for an upgrade. The 67W comes packed with some awesome new features, like live view monitoring, so you can keep an eye on your car from anywhere, and a parking guard feature to give you peace of mind against those pesky parking lot pranks. But let's talk about why we love this dash cam. First off, it's compact and easy to use, making it a breeze to set up. And can we talk about the video quality? It's top-notch, capturing everything in crystal clear detail. One thing we really appreciate is the intuitive voice control features. It's so handy to be able to control the cam with just a few simple commands. Now, I won't lie, this isn't the cheapest dash cam out there, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's a top-notch piece of tech that does everything you need without all the unnecessary bells and whistles. Oh, and can we talk about the mounting system? Super simple and hassle-free. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam 67W is a must-buy in my book. Trust me, you won't regret it. My score for this is 8.6. Number 2. Next Base 622W. This baby is the cream of the crop, packed with features that'll blow your mind. Let's start with the basics. Built-in polarizing filter, check. Image stabilization, check. 4K video resolution, check. And let's not forget the superior night vision mode. This cam has got it all. The result? Footage so crisp and clear, You can spot license plates and vehicle details with ease, no matter the conditions. But wait, there's more. Alexa voice control and what the words geolocation for emergencies? Yep, this cam's got 'em, adding even more appeal to an already impressive package. Next Base has always been at the forefront of dashcam tech, and the 622GW is no exception. With its cutting-edge Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset, you can capture sharp 4K footage at 30 frames per second. Plus, the detachable polarizing filter ensures glare-free shots every time. Need to slow things down? No problem. The super slow motion settings let you capture every crucial detail at 120 frames per second. Perfect for those hit-and-run incidents or accidents. And if you want even more coverage, you can add on the optional rear camera module for 1080p recording. The best part, it connects directly to the side of the 622GW, so no more messy wires dangling from your rear window. Interacting with this bad boy is a breeze, thanks to the crisp 3-inch full-color rear touchscreen. Or, if you're feeling fancy, just link it up with Amazon Alexa via the My Next Base Connect app. Then you can give commands like, "Alexa, ask my camera to take a picture," and voila, it's done. Setting up the 62212 is a piece of cake, and with its 140-degree viewing angle, it captures everything you need through the windshield. And when it comes to low light or extreme weather, this cam's smart algorithms kick in to deliver sharp shots every time. If you're serious about staying safe on the road, this is the cam for you. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. My score for this is 8.8. Number 1. Vantrue N5. It is a dash cam that's making waves in 2024. It's a quad-channel setup, meaning it's got cameras for both the front and rear of your ride, plus dual interior cameras, giving you almost complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Let's talk specs. The two interior cameras offer a wider view, catching those sneaky incidents through your side windows that might slip past the exterior cameras. And while some dash cams struggle with blind spots, the N5's coverage is seriously impressive. Now, let's talk design. Sleek and cylindrical, this cam measures about 4.88 inches in width and 2.7 inches in height. The SD card slot is tucked neatly under a magnetic cover, and there's a handy Type-C port for power and connectivity. But wait, there's more. The front camera boasts 4 buttons for easy navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone app linkage, and control over video and audio recording. Talk about convenience. And get this, the N5 even responds to voice commands like a pro. Now, let's not forget about the rear and interior cameras. They sport the same slick cylindrical design, but they're a bit more compact, making for a seamless look inside your vehicle. Plus, they can rotate about 45 degrees for that perfect recording angle. Installation is a breeze too, thanks to semi-permanent adhesive mounts for the front and a magnetic attachment for the front camera. And with a 20-foot Type-C cable connecting them, you've got plenty of room to work with. And the cherry on top? The Vantrue app gives you a live view and easy access to settings, while the built-in GPS feature adds location data to your footage, so you can track your routes with ease. All in all, the Vantrue N5 is a game-changer in the world of dash cams, delivering vibrant colors and clear details day or night. So if you're in the market for top-notch surveillance for your ride, look no further than the Vantrue N5. My score for this is 9.2. Now, we've come to the end of our thrilling journey through the realm of dash cams. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to spread the love by hitting that thumbs up button. Your support truly means the world to us. But hey, we want to hear from you too. Which dash cam caught your attention? Drop us a comment below and let us know your top pick. We always value your feedback and experiences. Thanks for tuning in and being a part of our community. And if this video made a difference for you, to stay in the loop with all our future content, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more exciting stuff headed your way. Until next time, take care, stay awesome, and catch you later.